The other, I think, huge structural advantage to the leverage in a Bitcoin treasury company that we've seen is the problem of liquidation, right?
Sure.
So people will go leverage long using a margin account at a crypto exchange, or doing 100x perps offshore or something like that, or now increasingly onshore apparently. But
Yeah.
if Bitcoin goes down 20%, they're forced to sell their stack, right? That they're just they have that liquidation trigger that um people kept saying this about Saylor in the bear market. Oh, he's going to be forced to sell his stack, right? Like that was the FUD going around, and he didn't. And that, I think, caused a lot of confusion for folks of, well, how can this asset have a massive drawdown and not cause a liquidation? It's all in the fine print of the leverage, right? And getting to intelligent leverage. So like what do you think is intelligent leverage in today's environment, or and in general?
Yeah, and I mean, that is one of the key value propositions for a treasury company is that as a publicly traded entity, they can access a leverage profile and financial tools that you just can't access otherwise. And that matters. That matters a lot. And it is valuable. So the key for, I think, leverage to be defined as intelligence in this market, in Bitcoin specifically, it has to be non-callable. So there cannot be this function where Bitcoin goes down 20 or even 50% and the leverage gets called in. Because what investors want and what companies like ours want is they want to deliver a Bitcoin denominated return over time. So Bitcoin's going to go up X percent, and you need a vehicle that will deliver an incremental return on top of that. And that's kind of how I think treasury companies earn their keep. They need to deliver Bitcoin denominated returns, which I think is like an important yardstick for the market to start thinking in. Like as a Bitcoin investor, as a Bitcoiner, as somebody that's been in this space for a while, at some point, financial markets need to start thinking in Bitcoin denominated returns. And I value that treasury companies are moving in that direction.